Hi kids, it's me, Sophie, and for today's video, what we're going to make is a circle bird craft. So materials required: color papers, glitter foam sheets, a dotty eye, glue, scissor, and pencil. So let's get a colored paper. Using a compass, let's draw a circle. Then, using a scissor, cut it out. So like this. Alright. Make sure that it will be a perfect circular shape. And I made a lot, but with the small sizes. So I choose a different colors. So you can choose a different colors that you like too. And then using a glitter foam at the back, using the same compass, I draw a circle shape again. So like that. And I cut it out. Be careful of using a scissor, kids, okay? So just continue to cut. And yay! So we have now this circle shape glitter foam. So we have a 3 different sizes of a circle shape. Put a glue and then put into a bigger version or a bigger shape of a paper. So like that. So the red one is our head for the birds, while the yellow glitter sheet is for our bird's body. So using a circle shape of a paper, I fold into the middle or in half to become our bird's wings. And then, same to the other, I fold into half to become our bird's tail. So, like that. And to finish, draw like a half moon shape into a red glitter foam sheet and cut it out. So this is gonna be our bird's beak. Okay. And kids, to watch more of my videos and to be updated on my latest craft, just simply click on the subscribe button. And you may also check the description box below for our website, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Okay, to finals, let's put this doubly eye, and ta-da! We have now a bird's craft.